Hi, I'm Mrs. Sopit. Today we're going to read some words that start with a vowel. Then we have to decide if those words start with the short vowel sound or the long vowel sound. And I have my friend Flip here. Flip the dolphin. He reminds me that sometimes if I'm not sure if the word starts with the short or long vowel sound, we can flip the sound to find the correct one. So let's try. Here's the first word. I know that the letter O makes two sounds. It makes a short sound and a long sound. What's the short O sound? Ah, ah. What's the long O sound? Oh. So let's see. Is it olives or olives? Olives? Let's flip that vowel sound because that doesn't sound right. Olives. That sounds right. Olives. And look at the picture. I know I like to eat olives, and I've never heard of olives before. So what vowel sound is that? Is that the short or the long? Ah, ah, olives. That is the short vowel sound. Olives. Ah, ah, ah. Good. Let's try another. You should know what this is. This is an ant. 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 Does that make the short vowel sound or the long vowel sound? Ant. That is the short vowel sound. Ant. Let's look here. Let's try to read the word. I know that U makes a sound and a U sound. Let's try. Uniform? That doesn't sound right. Let's flip that vowel sound. U. Uniform. Oh, yeah. That boy is wearing a uniform. So is that the short vowel sound or the long? U is the long vowel sound. Let's see another card. Ooh, look at that. This starts with the letter I. I makes two sounds. It makes the I sound and the I sound. Iguana? Iguana? That doesn't sound right. Let's flip the vowel sound. I. I is the short sound. I. Iguana. Is that an iguana? Yeah. So this belongs in the short vowel side. Let's look at another. What number is this? 11. E. Is that the short vowel sound or the long? E. 11. That's the long vowel sound. E. A trick to remember is that long vowel sounds say their name. So U, uniform, starts with the letter U. E, 11, starts with the letter E. So long vowels say their name. I have a few more cards. Let's go through them. We're looking at the first letter, U or Untide? That doesn't sound right. Let's flip that vowel sound. Let's try untied. Look, that's an untied shoelace. So is that the short sound or the long sound? Untied. tongue-tied. That is the short vowel sound. Let's look at this card. What is that? An egg? Does that make the short sound or the long sound? Egg. That's the short sound. Egg. What about this card? It starts with the letter O. What two sounds does O make? O and ah. Which one is it? Oatmeal? That doesn't sound right. Oatmeal. Let's flip that vowel sound. O. Oatmeal. Oh yeah, that looks like oatmeal. That sounds good. Is that the short or long vowel sound? Long vowel sound. Oh. Remember, long vowels say their name. Oh, oatmeal. What about this one? Starts with the letter I. Is it I or I? Is. Is. Let's flip that vowel sound. I. Ice. That matches the picture. Ice. Is that the short or long vowel sound? I. Ice. Long vowel sound. My last card. What is that? Acorn? Does that make the short or long vowel sound? Acorn. Doesn't that say the first letter's name? Acorn? Yeah, so that's the long vowel sound. Well, I hope you enjoyed learning your short and long vowel sounds with me. And remember, if you sometimes get confused when you're reading, you can think of flip. You flip the dolphin or flip that vowel sound, and that will help you to read. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye.